Hey pretties, it's time for another Stitch Fix unboxing, and this month hit the jackpot. All right, so it's been a while since I've kept an entire Stitch Fix box, but this month, my stylist, Ilana, hit it out of the ballpark. I mean, everything in this box was so me. And there were a few pieces that I pulled out and I wore right away. I cannot wait to dive in and show you everything I got. My first piece out of the box was totally a deal maker. These Liverpool jeans, they are so comfortable. I don't have a jeans in this color blue. I thought they'd be perfect for spring and summer. I love that they're kind of a brighter denim, and these are the Liverpool Kaylee skinny jeans, and the price on these is $78. If you watched last month's unboxing, you heard me say I'm not a big fan of knot front tops. Well then, along comes this sweater that totally changes my mind about it. So the brand on this is pink, and it is the Mod knot front pullover in light gray. It's just a really nice lightweight sweater. I put this on and it was love at first sight. I wore it with those skinny jeans the very day that the box arrived. So needless to say, I kind of fell in love, and the price on this sweater is 38 bucks. So it was kind of a bargain considering how much I loved it. The next piece out of my box is this Daniel Rain Albedo crew neck blouse in indigo, and it's just a really pretty floral print for spring. I love this. I think it'll look great paired up with the jeans. I haven't worn it yet because the weather's not been warm enough, but I could see it layered under a moto jacket or a cardigan on these cooler days, and I think it'll be really cute in the summer with a pair of shorts too. Now the price on this was a little bit more. It was 58 bucks, but since I bought the whole box, I got the 25% discount. So I normally would not have spent that much on a little shirt like this, but it ended up being a decent deal whenever it was considered that I wanted all the other pieces in the box and I got the discount. If you know me at all, you know that this next shirt had me at stripes, and I don't have a navy and white striped shirt, so this was perfect. It's so cute. It's got little cap sleeves. It's a one pocket blouse from Alice Blue. It is the Bushnell one pocket blouse in navy, and the price on this piece is also $38. And lastly, I was not super excited about this piece when I pulled it out of the box. I'm just gonna be totally honest with you. I didn't think I would wear it. I don't really wear pleated tops too often because they tend to add some bulk in this area, which I don't need. But I'm coming around on this one. I haven't actually worn it yet, but I have paired it up in a few different ways, and I'm gonna try it on and show you guys and ask you what you think. So this is the Fun to Fun Maylee pleated detail top, and the color is mustard, and the price on this was 48 bucks. All right, now it's time to try this stuff on. Okay, spoiler alert, because you already know I kept everything right, so I'm gonna start off with my least favorite piece in the box first, and that is this pleated top. So I decided to try a little bit of a half tuck with it, and it actually has grown on me. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. I like this paired up with a pair of black jeans and, of course, leopard flats. I think it looks really cute with the pattern mix with the floral and the leopard. What do you guys think? Next up, we have the gray knotted front top. This sweater is so comfy and so lightweight. It's a great piece for spring transition. I like it paired up with my black jeans. You can see the back of it. It's a little bit longer in the back, a little bit shorter in the front. I think the reason why this works for me and why I like it so much is because the knot is down here, not up here. A lot of times the knotted shirts are a little bit too high in the front, so I like that this one is a little bit lower and a little bit roomier. And I like this also paired up with my slip-on sneakers. Yay, this is such a fun, comfortable outfit. I can wear this seriously like every single day. Here I am in two of the pieces from the box, the Daniel Rain floral printed top with the Liverpool skinny jeans. Again, I love these jeans so much. They fit like a glove. They're super soft, like butter. This top looks really cute with them. I can see it paired up with some wedges this spring. I decided to put it on with a pair of suede mules that I have. And for spring transition, you can also throw a moto jacket on. This moto jacket was in a Stitch Fix that I got a couple years back, and I love it so much. It's one of my favorite pieces. And I think that this just makes a really cute outfit, and I can pair this up with some shorts later on too. Totally love it. And last but not least, I've got the Alice Blue navy and white striped top. It looks super cute with a half tuck, or you can wear it out. I like that it's a little bit longer in the back, and it has these adorable little cap sleeves. This is gonna be a great piece in my closet for spring and summer. It would look cute layered with things over it. I paired it up with my white mules, but I could definitely wear it with a pair of white sneakers too, or even some red sandals to give it a little bit of a pop of color. Definitely a winner. So my total out the door for all of these pieces was $162.14, which I didn't think was too bad considering I will be wearing all of these pieces over and over again, and on a cost per wear basis, I will definitely get my money's worth. Thanks so much for joining me for this month's Stitch Fix unboxing. Be sure to tune in next month to see what goodies I get in that box. If you like this video, be sure to like it and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys, bye.